Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing a Prodigy YouTubers tier list. I did one of these a while back, and now a bunch of people are doing them again. Just let me get rid of this quickly. So I'm going to be doing a tier list, as I said, for Prodigy YouTubers. A bunch of people are doing this, and I'm not copying them because I was the first person to do this. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first person we are going to be doing is Camden Bell. I'm going to go ahead and put him in the F because he is very clickbait. His videos are just really bad right now. And they're getting really repetitive. All he's doing is just saying, like, this bed is illegal. Here's why. And then he'll just do stuff that, like, Solaris, Soral, or whatever its name is banned. Here's why. And then he just does battles with it and explains how it got removed from the game. So yeah, on to the next YouTuber. So now we have Prodigy Math Master. Prodigy Master. Prodigy Math Master isn't going to be on this, but Prodigy Master. I used to watch his videos. They were alright, which is why I'm giving him a D. He doesn't really post anymore, so that's why he gets a D. Okay, so next up we have One Dr. Genius. He does a lot of like useless videos. Like once he made a video just saying that the arena season was about to end. He just does a bunch of videos that aren't very good. He screams into his mic and his intro sucks. So yeah, that's why he gets an F. Okay, so now we have Arian Smart Hub. He is another YouTuber that screams into his mic. I know he's a little young, but yeah, I don't like his content. His thumbnails are repetitive. His intro sucks. I know that I don't have an intro, but that's because intros are cringy and you don't need one. Okay, so next we have Prodigy Queen. She says she doesn't hack, even though she does. She says it's all glitches. A lot of her videos are just bad, and yeah, that's all I have to say about her. Oh yeah, and she left YouTube for like 5 months. I'm not sure. So now we have Prodigy Pro. His videos are getting clickbait now. He doesn't really make any good content. He doesn't edit anymore. He's taking his second break from YouTube right now, pretty much. He hasn't posted in a month. So yeah, not sure how he has 20,000 subscribers because his videos just aren't very good. So next we have a Prodigy Math Pirate. I'm going to give him an A. I don't really watch his content anymore because he doesn't post anymore. But he used to do videos and they were really good, which is why I am putting him in the A. Okay, so next up we have an obvious S. CRF, very entertaining content. He can actually make good videos. He does research. His thumbnails are good. I actually kind of use his style of thumbnails, and his videos are just really good. So on to the next one. Okay, so next up we got Freezik. He's an F, obviously. If you've seen my video on him where I say he's one of the most clickbait Prodigy YouTubers, he is not sure how he has 900 subscribers. He pretty much all he does is just make a clickbait title that people will watch, and then he gets 1,000 views or something on a video. And then at the end of his videos, he'll just like laugh, and he doesn't even show you how to get it or like do what the title says. So yeah. So next up we have Camden Plays. This is another one that is not very good. Another F. There are a lot of Fs in this. So Camden Plays pretty much just does the same videos over and over. He did like secret places in Prodigy, and then like a week later he did the exact same video kind of. And then he also did a video where he said, or like he was doing the top 10 rarest bosses in Prodigy, or top 5 actually, and then he did the exact same video later, just a slightly different title, and then he just put in 5 different bosses. So on to the next one. So the next one is Prodigy Cat Food. I like his editing. I like his thumbnails. He's just a good YouTuber. Yeah, so that's really all I have to say about him. It's hard to say good stuff about better people. It's easier to just go hate on the bad ones. Okay, so the next one that we are going to be doing is Glass Inferno. This one is he's not that great of a YouTuber anymore. Like, he doesn't use his voice in any of his videos. It's all just, like, words. So I don't really like how he downgraded his videos so that it's only just stuff like words, and that's why he gets in D tier. So now we got Flame Fox. He's pretty much one of the worst Prodigy YouTubers ever. Not sure how he has like 16,000 subscribers. He just he won't post for days, and then all of a sudden he'll rampage and like post 10 videos in a week. He'll go like 2 or 3 months without posting a video and then get out 10 in a week. It's also the same with Freesick. They seem to have like the same upload schedule, kind of. So, yeah, that's all I gotta say about him. Oh, wait, and also his videos are clickbait, just like his brother. So next up, we got Newbie Plays. He has some pretty good content. His thumbnails are good. That's really all I got to say about him. His videos are interesting, and yeah. So next up, we got Prodigy Diamond Man. He doesn't really post all that often, only when there's a new epic, so only like once or twice a month. And he also does like festivals, I'm pretty sure. Let me see. So he actually has been posting recently, but they haven't really been any interesting videos. Like, I'm pretty sure they don't really have any thumbnail, or like there isn't really any thumbnails going into it. So that's why I'm putting him at C. Ariana and King Gaming is another one I'm going to put that C. They are pretty much just an average. They're pretty much just average. They've had a few good videos that I've liked, like How to Get Sparkle Snup. And yeah. So next up we got PG Pro Gamer. He's in A tier. Him and I are good friends. We talk a lot. His thumbnails are good. His videos are interesting. And yeah, he gets an A. He doesn't get an S, he's an A because his music is sometimes too loud for me to like hear him. I can't hear what he's saying sometimes. And his old intro was an ear rape. So now we have Prodigy Math Game Player. His videos are good. His editing is good. He doesn't really use thumbnails, but he doesn't really need thumbnails for his videos. And his content is good. Also, he posts like 2 times a day. So now we have Prodigy Prince. His videos are very good. Me and him are friends. He's about to get to 1,000 subscribers. Make sure to go subscribe to him. Most likely he'll comment on the video. So yeah, get him to 1,000 subscribers. His content is interesting. His thumbnails are really good, and his editing is good. So on to our last one, which is Moyer Man. He's starting not to post as much, and he's doing a little more Minecraft. But his videos are still good. His editing is very good. So I'm going to go ahead and give him an S. And yeah, his thumbnails are also good. I'm not sure if I said that, but yeah. Okay, so that's going to go ahead and end up the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. We are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by May. Let's see if we can make it happen. And yeah, bye.